Beyond Neptune, in eternal darkness, something massive may be hiding. A ghost.
Astronomers have spent nearly a decade hunting for it. Powerful telescopes have scanned billions of points of light.
Still, nobody can confirm whether Planet 9 is real. Not because we lack technology, because the outer solar...
In 2003, astronomer Mike Brown found something impossible.
Then more oddballs appeared. In 2012 VP1 object, another detector.
Their arguments of perihelion, the angle of closest approach, clustered together. In a random solar system, these should be...
In 2016, Caltech researchers Konstantin Batygin and Mike Brown published the Bombshell. A distant giant planet was shepherding these orbits. They called it Planet 9. The predicted orbit was extreme. Semi-major axis around 700 AU, eccentricity 0.6, orbital period till 30 degrees relative to the other planets.
In 2025, a major study by Siraj, Cha, and Tomin refined the parameters. But even with these refinements, the search area remains dauntingly large, hundreds of square degrees of sky.
Here is longer.
But reflected sunlight is not the only way. Planet 9 would glow faintly in the far infrared.
Two space telescopes have surveyed the entire sky in the far infrared. IRAS in 1983.
But the far infrared sky is messy. The Milky Way's interstellar dust, called Galactic Cirrus, glows at
In April 2025, a team led by Terry Longfan announced a promising candidate, a source appearing in both IRAS.
In July 2020, everything. A new sednoid, nicknamed...
Simulations suggest that 4.2 billion years ago, all four sednoids were aligned. But over time...
Two interpretations. Either Planet 9 existed early and was later ejected, or it is still out there, but farther than we think, far enough not to destabilize Ammonite's orbit.
The Subaru telescope in Hawaii, with its Hyper-Suprime Cam, has surveyed large parts of the predicted sky.
The Dark Energy Survey, with its 570 megapixel camera, scanned the southern sky for years. Planet 9 could...
The Zwicky Transient Facility scans the entire northern sky every few nights. But it doesn't go deep enough. The technique of shift and stack, shifting images to account for the planet's motion, can reveal hidden objects. The Atacama Cosmology Telescope searched at millimeter wavelengths, where the cosmic microwave background creates a...
Astronomers may have already photographed Planet 9 without recognizing it. The history of discovery is full of such ghosts.
But the true game changer is the Vera Rubin Observatory. Its 3,200 megapixel camera will... Previous surveys took snapshots. Rubin will take a movie of a 10-year time-lapse of the entire southern sky.
Astronomers estimate that if Planet 9 exists, Rubin has a 70 to 80% chance of finding it within its first few years. But that leaves a 20–30% chance it finds nothing, even if Planet 9 is real. Even if Rubin detects a candidate, confirmation takes years. At 300 AU, the planet's apparent If Rubin searches for a decade and finds nothing,
That is not failure.
History warns us. Vulcan, a planet proposed to explain Mercury's orbit, turned out not to exist.
The outer solar system is one of the least explored frontiers in science. We know more about the
A galaxy 10 billion light-years away can outshine a planet 300 AU from the Sun.
If a 4 to 10 Earth-mass planet can hide at 300 AU, what else might be out there?
And so the search continues. Not with certainty, but with the disciplined hope that defines science at its best.
Every night, telescopes scan.
The process is slow. The stakes are high. The outcome is genuinely unknown. Unseen by any eye.
The universe does not require our confirmation to exist, but our understanding of it depends entirely on what we can find.
The courage and the patience to look for. That is what separates discovery from ignorance.
Planet 9, the ghost world at the edge of our solar system.
In the coming years, the Vera Rubin Observatory will turn its 3200 megapixel eye to the southern sky.
One night, perhaps soon, a faint dot will move just a little too fast, and the ghost will become real.
If you want more deep dives into the mysteries of our solar system, hit like, subscribe to Astrogen, and turn